Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to explore a sensational video enhancer. That is 4DDIG AI Video Enhancer. Don't forget to check the link in our description. 4DDIG AI Video Enhancer is the best AI video enhancer I have ever tested. Here is why. By using 4DDIG AI Video Enhancer, you not only get the best quality of the video, you can keep your intention with the video. Because I know many video enhancers by using AI, they messed up everything, right? But not this one. So this is not only a video enhancer, but also you can upscale and shapen the video all in one place. So you can get a better quality of the video. So first, you can get a better quality of the video by using enhancer tool. And also by upscaler, you can get up to 4K video. And also sometimes we have some blur in the video, right? So you can use AI video shapener to get a clean version. For our treasured memories in the old videos, we also have an AI old video restorer that can save our old image and upscale it to the better quality. And for our Grammys black and white videos, we can use AI video colonizer to give us a little bit of color of the video. So you can create a cleaner and shaper visuals with this tool. You can get up to 4K new video easily. And you also can improve the color and the contrast of the video without professional knowledges. So we have 4 AI videos inside of this tool. So we got a general denoise mode, can reduce the noise of the video. And also we have an animate mode for the animations. And here is the killer app. We have a face model, which can fix most of the facial problems. And not to mention the colorized mode, so you can add more colors to the video. And also video enhance mode is easy for everyone. So no matter if you are a video vlogger, so you are a sport fan, want to keep the every memories of your favorite games, or you are gamers to improve your quality of your game videos. Yes, for the business marketer, this is a very crucial tool to have. And also for the educators and the trainers, filmmakers or YouTubers like me, you can find your scenarios for using the AI video enhancer tool. Is that very hard to learn? No, this is very easy to learn enhancer tool. You only need 3 steps to get a better quality of the video. So first, import your videos. Second, start AI video enhancement. And the third one is save your enhanced videos. We will catch up later by using the 3 steps. And why we choose 4DDIG AI Video Enhancer? Because they already enhanced more than 8 million videos, and also they have 100, and also they have a lot of certified users. They can up to 4K and twice faster processing than other competitors. Hey, in my channel, I already generated a lot of the AI videos by AI tools, right? But some of them are lack of the high qualities, and some of them are lack of the color, contrast. We can fix them by using this tool. So if you are ready, you just find the download button and click. So after you click download button, and you can click the software. So first, if you don't know how to install the software, you can follow this video. So first we click the agreement, and you can click the install setting to change the language. If you are not English speaker, so you can find your language here. And also you can change the installation path by click the browse. So now I'm gonna leave it with a default one. And then we click the install. Hey, this is not hard as you imagined, right? So click the start, and now we're in the software. FYI, 4DDIG not only provides us with the AI enhancer, but also they provided us with amazing file repair tool. So if you have a broken file like the video you cannot play, or photo, or let's say Excel, and you can use this tool to help you to repair the file. This tool can actually repair DLL file or an email. I'm gonna leave this for you to discover. So let's click the AI enhancer. So here is where the magic happens. We have two big buttons. First is video enhancer. Second is a photo enhancer. So you not only get one enhancer, but the two different enhancers. We can enhance a video or a photo. We have an AI color eraser. And also we have a photo color eraser as well. So if your video or image lack of the colors, you can use this too. So first, let's get started with our first video, okay? So click get started, and then we need to add a video to test. But if you just install it, you want to test, you can use the 3 examples. I have this video I just generated by AI, so let's play. That is very cool cyberpunk girl in a cyberpunk city. I generated it by Tensor and animated by Minimax. I love every details of this video, but just the quality is not so satisfying, right? I use different video enhancer tool to enhance it, but the result is quite different because I wanted to keep the original vibes. I want it to be authentic, but the other competitors' tools, they give the results is quite different from this girl. So I hope this works. So let's test. So first click the add videos, find your video, double click. All right, we can click a play button to play one more round. And remember, I introduced we have a different AI models. So here we have a general model and a face model, and we have this animate mode. And for animate mode, we don't have many parameters that we can tweak, but for general mode, we can change the resolution by 4 times or by 2 times. And also we can change the AI enhance by quality first or speed first. So I'm thinking maybe for this time, instead of the anime mode, I'm gonna choose a general mode and I'm gonna change 4 times resolution. Yeah, baby. And for the AI enhance, I'm very cared about the quality. So quality first, and click the toggle button for apply to all videos, and click the enhance. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're done. So now we need to save the enhanced video. Click the save and find the place you want to save and give a second. So remember, we have 4 times bigger than the original one. All right, export it. So let's take a look at the final work. So this is the before, right? So we cannot see the clear details of this character. And this is after. So we can see the face is very clear, and also the character is more vivid, more detailed. And this is really amazing. So let's take a look at the final pixels. If you drag the original video to the browser, you can see. So this is a full size of the original one, and this is the upscaled one. Amazing! I'm gonna say I'm falling in love with this video enhance tool. I cannot leave this because with this tool, I can create more vivid, more detailed videos. No matter it's from AI or it's from reality, it's both works. So that's amazing, right? So what kind of formats does a 4DDIG video enhancer support it? In fact, it supports MP4, AVI, MOV, MKV, M4V, 3G2. 3GP, SWF, and etc. And what if I have more than one video to enhance? I mean, multiple videos. Is that works? So click the get started and let's drag the multiple videos at once. Let's say 4. It also works. So you can preview each video here and you can select the models and parameters. You can tweak the parameters and click enhance at once. So you can get 4 enhanced videos at one time. You don't need to select one and another. All you need to do is drag all the videos that you want to enhance and to this software and wait a minute and drink a coffee. So this is a function of the multiple enhance. And we have this photo enhancer. Click the get started. So we can use an example from here. So maybe this one. See, this is the current quality of this image. So we can use face model and click enhance. Wow, check it out the before and after. So if you want to enhance some portraits, let's say, so you can use a face mode. And we can see the results very different, but the face, the character, keep the consistency, right? This is very important for the enhancement. And click the save, and you can save your image. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.